In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make cursive writing in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch any text in your design to a clean, elegant, cursive look using Canva's built-in font tools. Start inside your Canva design with the text you want to style already on the page. Click directly on that text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box around it and the editing toolbar appear across the top of the screen. If the toolbar isn't showing, click once more or drag to highlight the text so Canva knows which words you want to change. With your text selected, go to the top toolbar and click the current font name. This is the drop-down that displays whatever font is applied right now. Opening it tells Canva you want to browse and choose a different typeface. If you're not sure you've clicked the right control, look for the list of font options to appear. That's your confirmation you're in the font picker. Keeping the text highlighted ensures your choice applies instantly so you can preview changes on your canvas in real time. Inside the font picker, use the search field and type the word cursive. This filters the library to show script and handwriting style options that have that flowing, connected look. If your results feel limited, it can help to try related terms like script or handwritten. But cursive is a great starting point. As you type, Canva will update the list immediately. Give it a moment if your internet connection is slow, and make sure your text is still selected so the previews reflect your actual design. From the filtered list, click the cursive font you like best. Your text will update on the canvas right away, so you can judge readability and style at a glance. Choose a font that fits your message. Some cursive styles are delicate and elegant, while others are bold and playful. After you apply the font, take a quick look at how the letters connect. If they feel too tight or too loose, a small adjustment to letter spacing in the toolbar can help the strokes flow naturally. For longer passages, slightly increasing line spacing can keep things legible. Also, cursive fonts usually look best in sentence case rather than all caps, which can break the handwritten effect. That's it. Click the text, open the font menu, type cursive, and select the style you love. With those simple actions, you can give any Canva design a polished, handcrafted feel. Save your project, and you're ready to share.